Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. I hope yesterday went well and that you were able to connect with your teachers, figure out what you were supposed to do, and get it all done. Yeah, thank you so much for those of you who checked in with me, whether it was email or office hours or message. It was awesome to hear from you guys. I really do miss you all a lot, so please continue to do so. I'll try to respond to your emails if you send them and everything like that. Also, please stop by my office hours, even if you don't have a question or anything. It's just nice to hear from everybody. Usually you'll run into Mr. Hegum or Mr. McKeon or Rashavi in there as well, so it's just kind of fun to stop by. A few things from yesterday that I noticed on the quiz. Some people thought that you have the entire week to do everything, really. The expectation is that you're doing things by the end of the day. So what I posted yesterday, the reading, the video, and the quiz, it was expected that you went through all three of those yesterday. If you missed it, obviously you can still go back and do it today, but you don't have all week to do the whole week's worth of stuff, basically. Obviously, I will accept missing work and late work, but we really want it to be like school where you have a little bit of each class each day. So make sure you're staying caught up. The other thing is that, yes, you still have to do work and advisory. The counselors that we have are awesome, and they put a bunch of great stuff into the advisory. They worked hard on it, so and it's great. So we need you guys all to do that, and you will still be getting graded on advisory as well. So it's important that you're in there and you're doing that as well each day. Otherwise, yeah, we had a pretty good turnout yesterday. A lot of people were doing it, so that was awesome. For today, so your daily checklist will be right here. I will remove the daily checklist for yesterday, so this will no longer be here. Again, if you don't want to do this and you want to make it more difficult, then you can go into this folder and find the day of the week, and it'll have the exact same information as here. This will be very helpful, though, if you miss a day. So let's say today is your first day and you didn't get to do it yesterday, and you want to go back and take the quiz and everything, just go to Extended Flex Learning, Week 1, March 30th. Introduction. Watch the video, read the expectations, and then take the quiz. Today, watch the video. Bravo, you're doing it. Congratulations. Yay. The second thing is do the Pear Deck presentation. So Pear Deck is just like Nearpod, except you can work through it at your own pace. So you'll click on that. You're going to have to make an account. Luckily, you all have a Google account. Hopefully, it'll just say sign in with your Google account, and you can just click it, and it'll be one button. Apps. So once you click your account, it'll take you to your Osseo thing. And we'll start. The first thing it's going to ask you is how you're doing today. So click on one of the little emojis. Here's your first slide. Just the warm-up question. It's one question you have about everything so far. Could be about anything really, school, the flex learning, any of your classes, or just anything about the stay-at-home mandate from the governor or coronavirus or anything you have about. There's a lot of stuff going on in the world, so any questions you have, really, put over here, and I'll try to answer them in tomorrow's screencast. Otherwise, we're starting our new unit today. It's the Mexican-American War, and with every other unit, we start with vocab. So obviously, I can't give you those little pictures to try to make categories, so we just put the pictures up here already in the correct category, and I just want you to try to guess what each vocab word is. So you'll type your answer in over here, go to the next one, try to guess what it is. It'll tell you what they are after each one. There's only 5 words, so that should be pretty quick. After that, you'll go practice the words on Quizlet. We've done this a couple times before, or just once before, I think. There's little flashcards that have the word and the definition, and you can play the little matching game. We've played that before. See how fast you can match the words once you've done that a couple times, really just do that as long as you want. That's not graded or anything. It's just to help you familiarize yourself with the words. Then you'll take the vocab quiz. You'll sign into Schoology. Be sure to be logged into Schoology because you've been on Schoology. Oh, Schoology. And you'll just take the quiz. It's just one question. It's just matching. So it'll have the vocab word and it'll have definition. Obviously in a mixed up order, and you'll just match them together. So should be a pretty easy day. Hopefully it won't take you more than 15, 20 minutes. If you have any questions, again, feel free to shoot me a message, email me, or stop by my office hours. I'll be there from 10:30 to 12:30 again today. Yes, I'm looking forward to getting into this new unit. It should be pretty good. So awesome. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck today. We'll talk tomorrow or maybe in my office hours today.